here to talk to you about confusing prepositions of place. So in American English, we use prepositions of place to tell us where something is located. So in my hand, I have a basket and I have a dry erase marker. So I can take this dry erase marker and I can put it in the basket, right? So, okay, we know what in means. It is when the marker is enclosed within this basket. If I turn the basket over, I can take the marker and I can put it on the basket. It is touching the surface of the top of this basket, and that is on. So we have in and we have on. All right, got that. Not too hard, right? But this is English we're talking about, and English gets crazy sometimes. So there are times when we use these prepositions of place, on and in, and we use them in some weird ways. So when we talk about riding on a bus, plane, or train, we say that people get on those things. I am getting on the bus now. It is about to leave. We have to get on the plane because it is boarding. We should get on the train now. Do you have your ticket? But when you're getting in a car, people get in a car. This one makes a little more sense, right? Because the basket is my car. You open the door, you get inside, and you drive your car away. So you are actually in your car. But you don't sit on top of a plane, do you? That would be really strange. However, when we talk about bus, plane, or train, we have to remember we are using the preposition on. People also get on a bike, motorcycle, or horse. Those things make a little more sense because you are sitting on the seat of a bike or a motorcycle, and you are sitting on the surface of a horse's back or on a saddle when you are riding a horse. So that is on. But when we get to boats, it gets confusing again. People get on a big boat, like a cruise ship. Let's get on the cruise ship. We are about to leave port. But people get in a small boat. So if you are going fishing, you get in a canoe or a kayak, one of the smaller boats. So on a big boat, like a ship, in a small boat, like a canoe. Unfortunately, there is no real rule for this. We just have to remember which ones we use when we're referring to different methods of transportation. You get on a bus, plane, or train, get in a car, on a bike, motorcycle, or horse, on a big boat like a ship, in a small boat like a kayak or a canoe. I hope this helps you remember.